watch the sunset, but I can't help from asking, are you bored yet?
Please keep your seatbelt fastened and your personal electronic devices turned off or in flight mode until the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
Dubai! Ang init daw ba? Guys, we're in Dubai now. Time check, it's I think around 6 a.m. here. Pero 4 a.m. sa UK. And what time is it sa Pinas? Siguro mga 1. Hindi ko alam. Ang body clock and time ano ko ay gulong-gulo na. But we're in Dubai again. But this time we're going out. Last time it was just a layover. But now we're going out. I wanna shower and sleep more and then go out. But we'll see. I don't think na pwede na mag-check-in if it's so early in the morning. But yeah, we're in Dubai. So, I was able to sleep sa plane naman. But at around 3 or 4, nagising na ako for the breakfast food. And then tuloy-tuloy na siya. And hindi ako nag-CR. Not once. Not once. I'm so proud. Proud ka ba sa akin? Proud. JD proud. JD proud ka ba sa akin? Hindi ako nag-CR. Hindi ako nag-CR at all.
Sabi ni JD, malala pa kayo na.
Hey, Dubai. See it. It's 11:12 na pala. We're having early lunch. And then, mag-check-in na kami sa hotel. But it's so hot. It's 38 degrees. Roar.
No, it's okay.
Eh, medyo ano pala to? Posh. Maji, po mo naman patayo. Sa desert.
Habang nakasuot yung ano ni Shane. Parang kala ko diba may something ka daw.
Para bang di mo alam. Parang di mo alam.
May nalamit ako dito.
Ay, prinsesa.
Bayad mo pag... Pero mabilis rin makagluto. Yung rice.
Alin yung rice? Yeah.
Baka lang napasobra ang...
Okay, so here's where we're staying. Kaya nga nakita ko nga. Ah. CR. Uy, dalawa yung CR. Ang saya. Ang saya, dalawa yung CR. Ay, may isa pala eh.
Ayun ang vlogger.
Nice, 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 nice. Walang ilaw ba? City view?
Bigyan natin ng AM holding.
AM holding. Bakit?
Puro may whole body mirror na tayo.
Ayoko nga. Yay! Welcome to Dubai, Habibi.
Baby.
Welcome to Dubai. Ay, ano yung A?
Baby.
Yay! Ang init.
Ganda.
Yan yung ginagawa nila ng island eh.
Ay, CR na.
Yan, ang ano yan.
May hotel pala si Amarcia.
Dating lamar yan, girl.
Okay guys, vlog update. So time check, it's currently 7 p.m. So naka-nap na kami ni Maji. And I'm all dressed up because I'm gonna go out tonight. So I'm going to Dubai Mall. So I'm gonna meet my CC Marge. So yes. And apparently, late din pala nagsa-sunset here. Kasi it's already 7 p.m. And look at the sun. The sun is still up. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You pop me, I pop you. Oh my god, sorry. We're in Dubai Mall, guys. With my Sisi. It's gonna tour me.
Hello.
In Dubai Mall.
Well, I don't go.
The Dubai Mall.
I don't go on
So we'll go out together.
We're going to eat dinner.
Explore together. Parang kahapon, nag-meet time siya kasi ako. Yay! Dinner! It's the Dubai. Where's the bridge? Ay, this one! Hindi ko nakita. Yay! Guys, that's the bridge. Oh my god! Look, nice! Look at this. Ano ginagawa nila? Bakit sila lalangoy? Nice.
In fairness, 26. Hindi siya ganun taas.
Daming energy yan.
Ito Habibi.
Hi. Habibi, come to Dubai.
Tapos ng Dubai, mainit.
Opo, galing po kasi kaming London. Pero naka-experience din po kami.
Oh my god. Okay lang. Ganda. Sometimes I hide. Sometimes I hide. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh! Oh my god.
Okay lang po ba yung mainit?
So pretty.
Ganito rin desert tour mo sa Qatar?
Hindi.
Hindi sa
Umano lang kami.
Picture,
Hindi kami
picture
ganito,
lang.
oo. Shocks.
May pa background music pa si Sir. Kaya namang feel na feel na.
Wow! Oh my god! Wow! Ang ganda. Guys, we're now here at the first stop. So look, it's super like, ang ganda. Dito.
Picture kami kayo.
Pink rock. This is pink rock. Guys. Dahil nandyan si Ruth, Ruth, ikaw yan.
Road baba!
Baba, Ruth. Kasalanan ni Ruth yan.
Hindi ka tumungtong, nasusubsub ka, no?
Coming back to me. Yeah, guys. So we're at the top now. I think this is the final stop, actually. So, whoa. Look at that. It's already so hot. It's currently 7. But yeah. So dry like we said.
Oh my God.
Vlog update, guys. We're at the top of the pink. Ano nga to? Pink. Whatever. Basta yung Sunjuns na pink ang tawag dito sa Dubai. And it's really, really hot right now. It's currently 7 a.m. And look at that. It's super hot. Alright. OMG, guys, there's Mama. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god. Hey, hey, ha? Hey, good morning. Nag-shape siya. Sarap yan. Wow! Anong tawag dito?
Museum of the Future.
Museum of the Future. Para siya yung sa Chicago. Yung bean. Ring.
Sunod ba dito? Bawal maghawak.
Magawak lang?
Ikaw yung makukulitan.
Yung mga pabango niya mura. Yung gusto na. Arabic perfume. Princess of Arabia.
Crashing out. With coffee.
Mabango nga yun. Currently have
Bata. Kapag gabi ng bata. Yun naman may Chipotle. Dubai. I know. So, without me. Wala siyang choice. Joe and the Shoes Dubai. Momoso. Nasaan yung Starbucks? Ito lang Starbucks. Ay pala. Starbucks sa Dubai. Starbucks sa Dubai. Hey, mga bagong characters sa vlog. Shane and Kyle and Adora. Eme ko lang yun.
Parang ano, yung can access anyone na may link lang, di ba nakagano? So pag binigyan ka ng link,
Tsaka walang
For the memes lang. Para ma-delete ko na siya ulit. Pag na...
i-delete siya sa phone.
Wow!
For us. But you love the kabayan.
Ay, check mo. Di ba, masarap.
I'm asking him to teach me.
You have a cough,
Vicks.
Vicks. It's natural eucalyptus.
Parang ganun. Hindi yan.
Ooh.
If you have a cough, flu, headache, asthma,
Kaso,
Grabe.
Ang strong.
itsura.
it's
Parang
very
baka
nice.
mamaya,
Good for health.
parang hindi ako makalabas.
If you have any
It's
muscles,
okay, I already know from their reaction.
if you have any muscles problem, any pain for leg, for back,
Nice.
you can use also
Hindi,
for
pag
massage.
hindi yung pag hindi.
Bye, Ruth!
Para ma-enjoy.
Bye, Ruth! See you when we see you. Dubai frame? Dubai frame, guys. Yeah.
Kaya mo na yun.
May ilaw yung bawat ano. Nice.
We remember all the good times, yeah. Let's celebrate though, let's celebrate. Here's to the good times, the days we'll never forget, never forget. Dancing to the rhythm, we ain't got no regrets, no regrets. Through the highs and the lows, we made it through. All those memories, yeah, I'll cherish with you. So let's raise a glass to the laughter and the love, and the love. We're living in the moment, can't get enough.
Aww. We're leaving. No way. Okay guys, breakfast. This is how we're gonna end our trip. So, magdadebris. Hindi pa pala debris. I got my bread plate, my egg, my coffee, and my... Walang ano yung Coco Crunch. Gusto ko sana Coco Crunch, but granola. Cornflakes lang. Fruit. Oh, I also want orange juice. But, hey guys. What can you say to the vlog?
Good night.
What can you say to the vlog? That I'm the best. The best person you. Make it about me. Tandaan mo, this is my vlog ah. But what can you say about me?
Pag-uwi po ka muna.
Mag-ano kami, time-lapse kami from here. Girl. Girl. Oh my God. Girl. Gago sa kabila. Ay. Girl, guys. Oh my God. So we will try to swim. Mga 30 minutes lang and then we'll go. Shit. Here's the pool. Here's the pool. Oh, thank God for the shaded part. Akala ko ba merong may abs? Be. Ayun o, towel. Time. Bye.
Bye, goodbye.
Bye, Dubai. Bye, room. Bye, room.
Our comfy and special.
Grabe. Ito lang yung room na nag-check-in kami sa entire trip na to. Kaya,
Ito lang may bayad.
yeah. It's so special. So special. Oh, eh. Tingnan nyo naman kung gano'ng kainit sa labas, oh. So hurt. But yeah. It's been short and sweet Dubai.
Naiwan na ako.
Tinadya mo yun. Saan tayo nag-check-in? Dito kami nag-check-in, guys. Residence Inn by Marriott. Bye, guys. It was fun. Room 4001. Alin? Bye, Dubai. See you was fun.
Maganda rin pala itong location ng property nila. Akala ko yung
Hi guys, vlog update. I'm done checking in. Yung luggage ko is saktong-saktong 25 kilos. Thankfully, thank you Lord. So, I just have to go through the scanning again. Kasi yung bag ko na pink, papunta kami ng flight namin papunta ng Scotland, papunta ng Dubai. Lagi siyang random check for some reason. And then wala namang nakikitang anything. So, sana this time walang makita, but I don't think I will use that ever again because probably may mercury na siya because I've been using it so much. But yeah, yun na lang yung next struggle. But yeah, nag-check in si Maji and Roots. Si Maji nagpa-wrap siya ng luggage because it's broken. It got broken. But yeah. By Dubai, grabe guys, sobrang init sa labas. Like, sobrang init. Doon kami binaba ng taxi. And then we had to pick up the available trolleys na nandun lang sa initan. And best believe guys, sobrang init nung hawakan. Like, Jesus. Sobrang init. Pero, kaya nagmamadali akong pumunta ng airport kasi dito malamig. But yeah, I guess that's it for the trip. I'm so sad it's ending. But also, I'm ready to go home. So sad. I think anytime now, I think I'm gonna cry. I think I'm really gonna cry. But, I'm just grateful, thankful, happy that it happened. But, yun lang, dump lang, little dump of my thoughts, I guess. Super grateful. I think my highest for this trip is definitely the people. No specific people, like all the people that I met during this trip are my highs. Walang lows. Pinag-usapan nga namin ni Maji kanina sa pool. Walang lows. There's no lows for this trip. Like all of it are part of the experience. And yeah. Bye guys. Guys, we're finally at the boarding gate. And we ordered, like, ay, hindi ko alam. Si Ruth ang nag-order na to. I think it's Egyptian pizza. And then whatever. So we're gonna eat this before we board. Kasi 4 pa yung open ang gate. So, and 5 pa yung flight. So, it's currently 3:30. But yeah. Yummers. Going. Bye Dubai. Bye Dubai. Welcome back to the Philippines. First one. Guys, I'm back. Ito ang unang trip ko sa araw sa Philippines. After almost a month. Okay, so that's a wrap for this trip. I guess. Bye. Hi, Taylor! Wow, so pretty naman ni Taylor. Wala na siyang gas-gas, guys. Nice view. Yay, Taylor is here.